Guys, as I told you in the previous videos, when you feed the pads, you push the pedal, you just pump it in. Look, the pedal went right in again. Now it get hard, so my pistons now engage with the pads. So now you push it right in. That's it. Turn it off. Look at the oil, a little bit up. You must get rid of some of the brake fluid, because if I do this side, the offside front, the oil is gonna come up. So we need to get rid of some of this fluid. So I feed the new pads. This copper grease. Now the slide is working. Look, it's moving forward and backwards. Not that much, because now these two sides pulling the pads towards the disc, and the pistons pushing the pads against the disc. That's it. That's turning and engaging when you want to. We didn't damage the pipe. It's not kinking or anything. It's right. It's not catching anywhere. So job done. You just put the wheel back. Why?